Hi guys, this is Kyra from Droidsniff and here is Whammy 1 for us. So the cover itself, the pack itself looks very classy and attractive and I'm really interested in opening the box. I think you guys are too. So let's unbox the seal. Okay. So here it goes. So the phone comes with 1 GB RAM. And to protect your phone, we also have it with glass protection. The phone comes with 4.4 KitKat, so it is already inbuilt. You don't have to upgrade it. For better selfies, you have 8 megapixel camera, the behind camera, and the front camera comes with 5 megapixel. And there's a unique specialty with the phone, that is, it comes with smart gesture wave. If you don't need to unlock a phone to make a call, you just have to draw the C button and you can call anybody. And the best part, the battery really stays for long. It comes with 2800 mAh battery and there are many other specifications. So let's see what the phone look like. Okay, so I have got a white phone. So I got this leather flip cover, the Wickedleak leather flip cover, which is what I got free because I was a lucky customer, you see. And here's the charger, the headphone which is in your headphone, which is really comfortable, the USB charger, this is another one, and the battery. It is like a biscuit battery, something cool, right? And the user manual. If you have any problem, you can go through it and read. And I get this back cover too. So let's see the phone. Oh wow, it's look really great. The yellow thing, the yellow border, it makes the phone look really classy. I'll put in the battery. Okay, so it's really taking me long. Just a sec. This is a flexible cover. So you can bend, nothing is going to happen. So your phone is any which way is more protected. So I'll put in the battery for y'all. Okay. So I guess we are ready to go. This is the power lock button. It comes with KitKat, the upgraded version.
Wickedleak, be simply wicked.
So when there are another phones that comes in market comes with like very normal set TT button when you open your phone. Wickedleak has really a nice creative thing that they open your phone with like a nice voice like, Wickedleak, please be wicked. So I unlock the phone. The touch is really easy and it's really soft. The camera, the 8 megapixel camera. My wall is dirty, don't mind it. For better selfies, front camera. So guys, this is what the phone is about, and it's Wickedleak. So I prefer that you guys should buy this phone. And guess what? The phone is value for money. It is only for 9,000. So grab the opportunity. If you like the video, hit like, it's on the right hand side, and do like, comment and share.